Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send HD photos on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to open up the menu. This menu gives you access to various settings and options within Signal. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This is where you'll be able to customize how Signal handles your messages, calls, and importantly for this tutorial, your media quality. Tapping Settings takes you into the main configuration area of the app. Next, tap on Data and Storage. This section controls how Signal manages your data usage and the quality of files you send and receive. It's an important area because it directly impacts how your photos, videos, and other media appear when you share them with your contacts. Now tap on Send Media Quality. This option determines the resolution and clarity of the photos and videos you send through Signal. By default, Signal might compress your media to save data, but we're going to change that to ensure your photos are sent in the highest quality possible. When the options appear, tap High. This setting ensures that all the photos you send will maintain their original resolution and won't be compressed or downgraded. It's perfect for sharing important images where clarity and detail matter, like professional photos, family memories, or any images where quality is essential. After selecting High, tap back to return to the previous screen, then tap back again to exit the settings menu entirely. Now you're ready to actually send those high-quality photos. Tap on the contact you want to send HD photos to. This opens up your conversation thread with that person, where you can start composing your message and attaching media. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the plus icon. This icon opens up your attachment options, allowing you to share various types of content with your contact. From the options that appear, tap Gallery. This gives you access to all the photos and videos stored on your device, so you can select exactly what you want to share. Now browse through your gallery and tap the photos you want to send. If you have multiple images you'd like to share, feel free to select as many as you need. Signal allows you to send multiple photos at once, which is convenient when you're sharing an album or a collection of related images. Once you've selected all your photos, tap the icon at the bottom right to proceed. This confirms your selection and prepares the images to be sent. Finally, tap the Send button in the bottom right to send the photos. Your images will now be transmitted in high-definition quality, ensuring your recipient sees them exactly as you intended with all the clarity and detail preserved. And that's it. You've successfully configured Signal to send HD photos and shared high-quality images with your contact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.